Hey guys, welcome to our project named Digitalized Finance. As you can see, this is the main big DBMS project I have planned it for. We really thought it to bring it upon to close to the real-time banking system. Well, diving deep into the topic, as you can see, this is the face of main page. You can see the name Banking Co. Yeah, of course, we have given a name because no name, nothing happens. And you can see there is home, services, sign up and login. So you go with services, you see the online banking, investment services, financial planning. These are the phase of things that we need to really enter into our project or enter into further further process, if I say. So if I go for sign up, so I would get these four columns: username, email, password, and of course the password back. Since I have already I have already done all the testing process. So this is gonna take a bit time. So I'm gonna go direct to the login. In login, we have three, of course. The background animation, kinda weird, but I felt it nice. But yeah, continuing, we can see there are three logins. There are admin, there is employee, and there is this user. So where we're trying to hit upon, and yeah, in user, before we did a login back when I was testing it, and you can see this is the user. Don't think of that 1 lakh 10. I will say how we got 1 lakh 10. So in the testing process, we can see the money, we can see the cards shift, we can see the loans shift, we can even give feedback. I'll come one by one. So in this interface, you can see the cards, total credit, total debit. We haven't done any transactions between two accounts. So yeah, you can see recent transactions. I'm going to say even why we have directly come into homepage. This actually doesn't work when a new user logins or a new user tries to sign up and log in. It doesn't work in that way. I'm going to tell you that. So coming into the cards, you can apply cards like whatever card you love it. So if you try to refresh it, you can see this different random number is being generated. Random number is being generated by the cards. Now, going into the accounts, since I have already filled these details, it will be bringing up my important details or the summary details that I need. So it will be showing cards on the left side and my details on the right side. I felt which is very simple. Now, coming up to the transactions, I haven't done any transactions. I haven't credited, I haven't debited. So you basically can't see anything. So if you want to make any transaction, you can do. Hey, I want to mention a point actually over here that a lot of people think that transaction is limited. If I want to say a transaction between two accounts in bank, I don't think it is limited. Maybe when you try to put that UPI limit, it does come, but not for bank to bank transaction. You're trying to transfer an amount from one account number to another account number, and I don't think there will be any limit as far as I know, as far as I have done my researching. So yeah, as far as I said, I didn't do any transactions over here, so it didn't show up. So coming up to the loans, we have applied the loan basically, like, which calculates interest rate and which shows all my remaining pay. If I click pay, I'm going to pay the amount. It will go. It's going to check my bank account whether I'm having sufficient amount or not. If it's not, it's going to throw an error. If it doesn't, it does pay. And if the loan is completely done, it won't be showing in the current loan and even over here. Coming up to the feedback, you can provide the feedback because for any system, for any banking system, feedback is really, really necessary. So we need to provide feedback. And as you know, this I'm going to tell you. So now I'm going to sign up actually. I'm going to sign up with my credentials because I want to show you how the transfer really works basically. So I'm going to sign up and I'm going to show you how does it work. So yeah, since I did my registration, I will be trying to log in. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. See, this is what happens when you try to log in as soon as you register. So registration does means you're trying to open an account, but to open an account, you basically need all those details. So you'll be trying to fill over here. So these are already filled, by the way. Yeah. If I put address, yeah, I'm gonna get. If I put my mobile number, I'm gonna get. Yeah, this is something. Yeah, let me put some random date. I'm gonna put something like this. I'm gonna put my email. So this is gonna update my profile. The base amount is gonna be 10,000 rupees. Yeah, that's how it does work. So let me bring you up to transaction part. Since I have 10,000, so you will be. Let me think. Let me say. I have a random account number. So this is my account number. I'll be copying it. I'll be sending here, and I'll be trying to send to my friend's account number. So the amount, since I have 10,000, let me pay him 2,000, or at least 200. I'm going to transfer it. The transfer is successful, and you can see the transfer is been done. It's 200 rupees has been deducted from my account and to the username. This is how does it work. Yeah, log out does mean you're logging out. So this is the part of user. So let me come to employee. So if I come to employee, these details are already given. So not pretty much that we can give employee login. I will tell you how the employee login works. So this is the employee interface. So this is how the employee interface. Everything you can see, each piece of data is being taken from backend. So that's how it works. Here you can see the total balance of all users is my 10,000 and the 1,10,000 that you saw in my friend's account. Total 2 users, because right now existing users were 2. This is the data about the employee, and this is the username, and you can see here the data has been retrieved. This is it. Shifts are something that you see when admin tries to give a shift to an employee. I'm going to show you how. I'm gonna come back for this. I'm gonna show you how does it show. Here you can see the user data. See, suppose if I want to search this guy, I'm gonna get this. I don't basically have to type and click the button. Even though the button is provided, doesn't matter. That's a secondary part. But this is how it works. You try to type and you get your filtering out part. That's it. And deposits. For deposits, we actually thought an account number. But even usernames are primary. Usernames are something that pretty much primary, and even account number. So it could be either account number or username. We had basically a discussion, and we have to see about this part. But right now we are using username. It could be username or it could be account number. Doesn't much make any difference, I feel. So you try to, if I give a username of this one, trying to deposit the money of nearly 1 lakh. So I process it. The deposit is successful. If I go to profile, this is a part of profile where I have already updated. So the same piece happens. So if you're a new employee, you're gonna come to profile. You're gonna enter all your details, and then it redirects. Then you have to go to the dashboard because all the data is loaded. Yeah. Now if I log out and if I go to my admin, admin, because the name itself says that admin. So each and every piece of corner to control the data. Pretty much he doesn't need any dashboard, but he himself needs some of the things to be controlled. So this is the dashboard for admin. this law, little animations. I feel very tickly kind of thing. So you see, this is admin profile. You can see how many employees are currently residing in Vizag. That's myself, Sai 345 employees in Vijayanagaram. Yeah, that's how, because we tried to bring it close to the real time. So that's how we want to make it. And this is the admin profile. This is the employee registration part where you try to give email, employee username, password, and confirm password. You register employee, and when the employee tries to log in, he'll directly go to profile because he needs to update all the data for a better usage. So that's how. So suppose shift. If you want any shift to be allotted for any employee, yeah. See, suppose I'm allotting a shift right from 6 a.m. to 3 a.m. I'm assigning the shift. The shift is assigned properly. So when I go back to employee data, you can see that I'm going to show you. So this is the employee data. This is my employee data. If I want to reset password, the admin has control of resetting the password over here. So if the admin clicks, the admin will type you, and he's going to type the new password, and he's going to reset you, or you're going to be big. But the main part is that the employee doesn't have any controlled access of his reset password, because security is very much important. And of course, the same part again for even over here. So now I have given shift for the employee. So let me check whether the shift is applied over here or not. Let me check it. Let me check. Oh yeah, see over here. You can see the shift start time, the end time. The end time is automatically calculated after 7 days, because that's how the shift works. It only works in that way. That's how the shifts always works. And what do I leave out? What do I leave out? Yeah, the main important part. The proof that I'm not trying to put any data kind. So yeah, this is my so-called bank database. In this database, I'm having account, I'm having logins, I'm having card, I'm having employee login, I'm having shift, I'm having feedback, I'm having loan, I'm having transaction, I'm having user login, I'm having basically, everything. Everything resides in backend database. Nothing is being retrieved by keeping as a showcase in front end. Every data is being retrieved from the backend, because that's how it works. So if I want to primarily include, I have used basically PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the 5 things that I combined together to make this project. I thought maybe, yeah, I think that I have, brought it to real time, close to real time banking system. As I said, the username part, it could be either account number or it could be either username. But more precisely in banking terms, it could be account number. There is that improvement that will definitely will be made. And what to say? Yeah, that's it for now. And I hope you understand and acknowledge what I'm saying. Thank you very much.